This video will show you how to change your wax guard. Remove the earbud from the hearing aid, pinch, and pull that right off. Do not worry about ripping it, they're very durable. Next, I'm going to remove my wax guards. There are instructions printed on the inside. Your wax guards are inside this little disc. There's a trash can right here, there's also a number 1. We're going to deposit the old filter here, and we're going to place the new filter on the hearing aid. I'm going to place the tip directly in the hole. Pull straight out, take the tip, place it directly in the hole. You may hear it snap. Pull straight back out. The new filter is on the hearing aid. The only thing left to do is to place the earbud back on the hearing aid, and that's all there is to it.